Hi, my name's Steve Raleigh. I'm here at Jameel College in Dubai at the CF Padel Academy, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about practicing on your own with single glass. So I'm here at the back of the court. At my feet we've got the service line. To my left we've got glass 1 and 2. There's 5 glasses at the back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then to my right we've got 8 and 9. So as we've talked before, we've got the grip. So if you just want to practice a few slow shots against glass 1, that's good. Backspin, going through the ball. Imagine there was a table, you're going along the tabletop, and using my, as we said, left hand, right hand if you're left-handed. My left hand reaches for the ball. Right, so we're doing single glass there. Okay, so we're going to practice backhands off the glass, single glass there, and then we're going to turn forehand, backhand. Ooh, let's try that again. Forehand, ready, backhand, forehand, backhand, bending your knees. Make sure my back is straight, not bending over like that. Follow the ball. Backhand, forehand, backhand. Okay, that would be a good way to practice moving and getting used to following the flight of the ball. What do I mean by that? When the ball comes, follow the flight and hit. Yep, the ball is coming towards me, follow it. Okay, hopefully that will be a good practice for you. Gets you used to playing off the glass. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe here. If you want to see more in the series of what we do, up here. And if you want to learn about all the general things we do on all our channels, go down below.